Long before humans walked the earth, before the first cities, before history even existed, a shining crystal was born in the deepest, darkest places on our planet. Forged under impossible pressure, raised to the surface by violent eruptions, and desired by kings, conquerors, chemists, and dreamers. This is a story of a stone that started as carbon and became one of the most powerful symbols in human culture. This is the story of diamonds. Hello everyone and welcome back to Project NOTOS. Today we're going to explore one of the most fascinating materials on Earth, diamonds. Where they come from, how they are found, why they became symbols of love and wealth, and how today they are also powering some of the most advanced technologies on the planet. But before we start, if you enjoy deep dive videos like this one about science, history and the wonders of our world, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Alright, subscribe? Great, let's begin our journey. Diamonds are actually very simple, at least chemically. They are made of one element, carbon. But what makes diamonds special is how that carbon formed. Millions and sometimes billions of years ago, carbon atoms deep below the Earth's surface were squeezed under temperatures hotter than lava and pressures so strong they would crush steel. At around 150 to 250 kilometers below ground, carbon crystallized into a structure where each atom connects perfectly with four others. This is the strongest natural structure known to science. No humans could reach those depths. So how did the diamonds get to us? Thanks to something violent and spectacular, Kimberlite eruptions. These eruptions shot diamonds upward like a volcanic elevator, bringing them close enough for humans to discover millions of years later. The first diamonds ever found by humans came from India, around 2,400 years ago. They were considered magical objects believed to protect warriors, heal diseases, and bring good fortune. From India, diamonds traveled the world, to the Silk Road, to ancient Rome, to the crowns of European kings, and eventually to the hands of scientists. Today, most natural diamonds come from Africa, Russia, Canada, and Australia. But the process of getting a diamond out of the earth is far from simple, and sometimes far from ethical. There are two main mining methods. Open pit mining. Large craters are carved into the ground to reach kimberlite pipes. Massive machines remove rock layer by layer. Alluvial mining. Diamonds carried by rivers are extracted from sand and gravel. This method often involves small groups of workers using basic tools, sometimes in dangerous and unregulated conditions. Not all diamonds spark equally. In some regions, especially in the late 20th century, diamonds became tied to conflict financing, so-called blood diamonds, child labor, unsafe working conditions, and environmental destruction. This led to the creation of the Kimberlite process in 2003, a global certification system that tries to prevent conflict diamonds from entering the market. Today, the situation has improved, but not all problems are gone. Many mines still face issues with worker safety, low wages, accidental death, and water pollution that affects local communities. On the positive side, countries like Botswana, Namibia, and Canada have developed more ethical and controlled industries, using diamond profits to build schools, hospitals, and modern infrastructure. The truth is, diamonds can bring prosperity, but only when the system is fair. Once a diamond is mined, the real transformation begins. Most diamonds look like dull little rocks at first. It takes human skill to reveal their beauty. Diamonds are classified with what experts call the 4 C's. Carat, the weight. 1 carat equals 0.2 grams, but bigger does not always mean better. Cut. This is the only C controlled by humans. A perfect cut makes light bounce inside the diamond and return to the viewer's eye with maximum sparkle. The most famous shape? The round brilliant cut, with 57 or 58 facets. Color. Diamonds are graded from D, colorless, to Z, yellow or brown. Colorless diamonds are rarer, but fancy colors like pink, blue or green can be even more valuable because they are extremely rare. Clarity. Almost every diamond has tiny imperfections, called inclusions. The fewer the imperfections, the higher the clarity grade. From this system, a diamond is evaluated, priced, and finally transformed into the gemstone we see in jewelry stores. Diamonds are not just for rings. They're also a technological super material. Diamond is the hardest natural material known. Industries use diamond-coated tools to cut metal, shape glass, and drill into the earth. Diamonds also conduct heat better than any other material. This makes them perfect for cooling microchips, lasers, and high-power electronics. They are transparent to a wide range of wavelengths. Scientists use them in high-precision layers, quantum sensors, and medical equipment. Some diamonds contain tiny defects called NV centers. These can store quantum information, and yes, diamonds can act like tiny quantum computers. This could revolutionize medicine, navigation, and ultra-secure communication. Curious about it? Check out our last video about quantum computers and how they work after this one. I'll leave the link down in the description as usual. Today, humans can also create diamonds in laboratories using two main methods: HPHT, recreating high pressure and high temperature, or CVD, growing diamond layer by layer with plasma. Lab-grown diamonds are cheaper, ethical, and often physically perfect, and for technology this is absolutely essential. And now our favorite part. Let's see some curiosities and fun facts about diamonds. Diamonds rain on other planets. On Jupiter and Saturn, scientists believe that lightning storms turn methane into carbon, which then forms diamond rain. The biggest diamond ever found? The Cullinan diamond, which weighed 3,106 carats. It was so large that the manager of the mine thought it was a piece of glass. Not all diamonds sparkle. Some diamonds are black because they contain graphite or even microscopic minerals from space. Diamonds are older than life. Some natural diamonds on Earth are between 1 and 3 billion years old. That means they formed long before plants or animals existed. Certain diamonds glow under UV light. About 30% of diamonds flourish, usually in a blue color, almost like they are magical. The hardest natural material? It's still diamond. Even though scientists created super hard synthetic materials, nature's diamond stays undefeated in hardness. Diamonds may be symbols of love and luxury, but are also incredible creations of nature and powerful tools for modern science. From deep earth origins to human craftsmanship to cutting-edge technology, this small carbon crystal has shaped history and will continue shaping the future. Thank you so much for watching Project NOTOS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting documentaries. And as always, stay curious and see you in the next adventure.